Hi, my name is Joe Kavortek, and I am the Business Development Manager for Military at Advantek. Welcome to the world of Mission Critical, where failure is not an option, and embedded technology is at the heart of success. Today I would like to discuss the market demands on Mission Critical, Advantek's position in making Mission Critical simple. Traditional demands on mission-critical systems are reliability, ruggedness, security, and swap, size, weight, and power. Every time you walk onto a commercial jet or turn on your lights at home, sourced from a nuclear power plant, demands on mission-critical systems are being met. These systems must work in extreme environments like deserts or space or even at the bottom of the ocean. They must protect against the many cybersecurity threats around the world, and they must be small in size, weight, and power. Every 1 pound of weight savings in an aircraft equates to $1 million in fuel savings over the life of the aircraft. The world is rapidly changing, and so is the demands on mission-critical systems. Artificial intelligence must be incorporated into mission-critical systems, and deep learning is used to identify critical factors like targets and threats. Edge computing is used to read sensor data and make real-time decisions without the lag of cloud computing. Multi-domain networks must be fused together to connect different systems and entities. All systems must provide protection against cyber threats. Even with these new demands, mission-critical systems must reduce their size, weight, power, and cost while still being rugged, modular, deployable, adaptable, and supportable. Advantech is uniquely positioned to serve the mission-critical market as the world's #1 embedded board provider, huge ecosystem support, one-stop shop, and leading technological innovation. Technology, after all, is our core competency. Whether it's open standard board level, embedded core design, rugged systems, AI technology, rugged edge servers, thermal design, enhanced longevity, global support, or just our passion for innovation, Advantech wants to be your technological advantage. Imagine your mission-critical system enhanced by an Advantech embedded core with the latest CPU, qualified long-life ECC memory, secure SSD, Wi-Fi, 5G, and a GPU, all integrated, tested, and validated, and delivered as a single unit from a trusted partner. Advantech focuses on COTS, commercial off-the-shelf. Using COTS reduces development time and costs, accelerates design cycles, and leaves the technology core to the embedded experts. Ask us about our 2,000 plus standard products and our ability to quickly meet your requirements with modified COTS. Proprietary embedded solutions can't match the longevity and upgradability of COTS. How does Advantech make mission critical simple? We provide the rugged embedded core with the latest technology, and our customers focus on what they do best. Customers can focus on their IP and strengths. With the new demands placed on mission critical systems, Advantech is focused on small form factor. Reduce the size, complexity, and cost of large ATR systems by using Advantech small form factor. Combining COTS with small form factor is a very powerful combination that will lead the way for tomorrow's distributed, powerful, and mobile mission-critical systems. Our mission, after all, is to make rugged simple for our partners. Now I would like to hand it over to John Reese.
Thanks, Joe. Hello, my name is John Reese. I'm a member of the Advantech Defense Solutions team, key account manager for this vertical. Our agenda today will talk about the following: the tactical edge, which we all know is transforming, open systems and COTS products, which the government is looking for, our partnerships that bring us into other opportunities, and small form factor and swap C, or size, weight, power, and cost, which give the end user advantages in and on the battlefield. The goal is to provide the computing power and data aggregation as close to the warfighter as possible. IoT devices at the edge need to be able to convey the needed information to the warfighter quickly. IoT devices need to be smarter, faster, smaller, and be able to communicate over any available communication system using a self-forming, self-healing network topology and techniques. When we talk about network fusion on the tactical edge, it is really about a new type of IoT. We call it IOW, or Internet of Warfare. This includes sensors and data fusion, zero trust, ubiquitous communications over any network, such as 4G LTE, 5G, LoRa, Wi-Fi, military or commercial radios, as well as wired nets. There are many considerations that must be addressed, such as types of data, relative importance of data, the area that is to be covered, data rates that need to be supported, ad hoc and mesh networks, just to name a few considerations. All this in a contested environment. There are many tools available to begin building these IOW networks on the tactical edge. Considerations for capabilities such as what is the size or area of the coverage needed for each use case, what tools we have for local, regional, area, and edge networks, what do we not have, how do autonomous drones, robotic scouts, deployable sensors, and other systems get integrated into local and regional systems? How does the publish and subscribe model or the methods of getting data to the warfighter work in a multi-branch, country, mesh, joined network? So as an example, sensor data fusion over disparate networks. Imagine a police officer sees a threat in a park. Using his cell phone, he requests a park service pan tilt zoom camera to look at the suspect and records the video on his phone while being able to share with supervisors and other officers nearby. As you can see, Advantech standard products or commercial off-the-shelf products can meet virtually every aspect of military's needs, from rugged displays to small form factor robust computing, all the way to very large server-based systems. For instance, the Trek 60 is a dual-purpose platform that provides robust in-vehicle computing and artificial intelligence. With a minimal change to the housing and to the connector designs, we can go from an industrial platform to a full mill platform with those minor design changes. This same capability exists in many of our other products like PWS 870, UTC products, and other product families. Proprietary systems are a thing of the past, with the government wanting to use open systems and proven technologies. The government is always looking for dual-purpose applications, such as Smart Base, Smart City. Advantech has the largest breadth of products in the industry. Our open systems offerings are the key to our success. The military is not interested in solutions that are proprietary. Also, small form factor and small form factor computing will become a normal occurrence in military applications such as unmanned systems due to real estate and power issues. In the military, there are many open system standards looking for COTS products with the ability to meet their needs at a low cost and high performance scenario. 5G is just another tool in the kit. We know that 5G, while it is a technology that can and will be used on the battlefield, in some instances, it does have its challenges and limitations. For instance, distance and cyber is a challenge for 5G. We have a number of partners that will enhance this technology. One that comes to mind is Battelle. And for example, they developed a beam-forming, beam-steering antenna for 5G that will allow for greater distance and security. Open systems will allow for a greater competitive landscape throughout the community. Having competition is always good, and it helps the end customer not get pigeonholed into a proprietary system. With proven processes and applications in industrial applications, the Department of Defense is certain that these applications will cross over and allow for shorter time to get these technologies to the warfighter in a very shorter span of time. COTS products afford the user to be very versatile, to upgrade, change applications in the field, and upgrade to the systems that will be easily implemented in the field. This means changing an application from maybe a GPU application to a standard compute application or a communications application. SWaP-C. SWaP-C is size, weight, power, and cost. It is always one of our primary design goals. Size, weight, and power are very advantageous to capitalize on when trying to satisfy mission-critical applications at the tactical edge. As Joe mentioned in a previous presentation, taking weight off an aircraft significantly reduces the lifetime cost of that aircraft, specifically for fuel. Real estate is so important, and size of computing needs to be as small as possible with the greatest feature set that is physically practical. Having a lower total power consumption is a key element concerning size of power supply, size of cooling, and is directly related to the weight of the system. Cost is a great concern as military budgets will be shrinking slightly over the next 3 to 4 years. We're predicting probably a 10% decrease in budget total over the next 3 to 4 years. Partnerships. We have cemented many partnerships in our endeavor to bring multi-domain mesh networking to the battlefield. These partnerships have been a key to our success in getting the correct people we need to speak with for these mission-critical applications. Without showcasing a total solution to a potential customer, we would just be a computing platform, and we can be just a computing platform. That doesn't bother us, but it seems that we're getting more traction when we talk about a solution to a total problem. Now we know we can show a solution to the known problem and get them to listen. Just to reinforce small form factor computing, here's what we call our military dust server. We intend to dust these all over the tactical edge. These are 4 by 8 by 8 inches and can fit under a seat in a vehicle and provide tremendous advantage to the warfighter's mission, such as real-time mapping, communications, and a number of other applications that can be utilized from this small dust server. Here's an exploded view of that dust server. There is a Jetson NX platform on here that has an 8-core ARM and the Jetson GPU. There is 2 mini PCIe slots for functional cards, i.e. RS-422, 485, military 1553, A-Ring 429, FPG Ultra Scale. There's a number of different functional cards that'll fit in those mini PCIe slots. There's also an M2 slot for NVMe and 5G radio, as well as a camera interface on this box as well. All without any internal cabling. So in closing, I will leave you with these words that are so impactful to our team as we use it as our mantra and live it every day. Innovation happens when someone works, outside their job description and above their pay grade. Don't wait for permission to create a solution. Our team always pushes each other to search for new opportunities in existing and new accounts. When you see an issue, ask others how you can help, or just start helping. All too often on the road up, young leaders become servants of what is rather than shapers of what might be. Thank you very much. That's the end of my presentation.